Hi, my name is Michael Ryan. I'm head of FESPA Global Print Expo and Sportswear Pro. Sportswear Pro is a brand new event which is focused on on-demand, customized manufacturing of garments and apparel. One of the major trends at the FESPA exhibitions is the customization and printing of apparel and garments. What was missing was the elements such as the design process, the material selection, and also the finishing of those garments, and we have those on show at the exhibition and Sportswear Pro event. We have a full lineup of speakers on the 21st of March, the Sportswear Pro conference program, and they will touch on areas of the business such as the latest trends which exist in apparel manufacturing, looking at AI, how that can be incorporated into future manufacturing, and also on areas such as sustainability. Many of our speakers will focus really on sustainability and how you can incorporate this and be more sustainable in your manufacturing process. You can select your designs, you can look at the whole manufacturing process, so taking you through the whole manufacturing process from design to printing to manufacturing to the catwalk at the very end. But visitors will be able to really see how you can manufacture customized on demand and as efficiently as possible. Sportswear Pro will be held at the Amsterdam RAI alongside the FESPA Global Print Expo exhibition, and specifically in halls 11 and 12, over 85 exhibitors will be there to showcase the latest innovations. Sportswear Pro is a must-attend event. If you're passionate about manufacturing and you want to see the latest trends and technologies, then Sportswear Pro will have a wide variety of applications and innovations from design through to the whole production process. Coupled with that, you have the conference program, so you have a full lineup of dedicated speakers who can really help move your business in the right direction.